Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the easiest, the sharpest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Students, in our previous video, we learned how to show a rational number on a number line. In this video, we are going to see how to compare two rational numbers. Once again, we have to compare rational numbers. Rational numbers are nothing but m upon n, means numbers in the form of fractions. So comparison of rational number is identical to the comparison of fractions. So let's start with, suppose we have to compare 3 upon 2 with 5 upon 2. In this case, denominator are same, so number with greater numerator is the greater number. So we will show that 5 upon 2 is greater than 3 upon 2. Got it? Second example, suppose minus 9 upon 7 minus 11 upon 7. Once again, denominator is same. So what we have to, how we will decide? We will decide based on the numerator. Minus 9 and minus 11. Which number is greater? If you recall integers, I am expecting that your answer is minus 9. Minus 9 is greater than minus 11. So minus 9 upon 7 is greater than minus 11 upon 7. Got it? Now let us see next example. Suppose first number is 5 upon 2 and second number is 4 upon 3. Now how to compare these two numbers? Here denominators are different. So what we have to do? We have to make their denominators equal. Recalling something? It's super easy lesson, students. It's nothing but this lesson directly comes from 6th standard, nothing else. So we have to make the denominators equal. To make the denominators equal, we have to see their LCM. Their LCM, there is not any common factor in between 2 and 3. So LCM is equals to 6. LCM of 2 and 3, 6. So we have to make their denominators equals to 6. Let's start. 5 upon 2 is nothing but 5 upon 2 multiplied by 1. Multiplying any number by 1, it doesn't change its value. So 5 upon 2 is equals to 5 upon 2 multiplied by 1, which is equals to 5 upon 2 multiplied by, this 1 can be replaced by any number like 3 upon 3, because 3 upon 3 is equals to 1, 9 upon 9 is equals to 1, minus 11 upon minus 11 equals to 1. Any number divided by itself, answer is equals to 1. So this 1 can be replaced by 3. And why to replace by 3? Because 2 3s are 6. We have to make the denominator equals to 6. Okay. So we multiply this 5 upon 2 by 3 upon 3 and our answer is multiplication of numerator 15, multiplication of denominator 6. So 5 upon 2 is equals to 15 upon 6. 4 upon 3 is equals to 4 upon 3 multiplied by 1. Why I am showing multiplying by 1? Because we are not changing the value of the given rational number. So that is equals to 4 upon 3 multiplied by, this 1 can be replaced by any kind of such number, but we have to replace it by this 2. So that is equals to 4 upon 3 multiplied by 2 upon 2, which is equals to 8 upon 6. Okay students, now if 15 upon 6, this number is greater than 8 upon 6, right? In these two numbers, denominator is same. So we will decide their greatness based on the numerator. Numerator of this first number is greater. So naturally this first number is greater. So 15 upon 6 is greater than 8 upon 6. Therefore, 15 upon 6 is equals to 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2 is greater than 8 upon 6 is equals to 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. Got it? Okay, let us see few more examples. Suppose next example is minus 9 upon 7 minus 4 upon 3. Now I am taking same example again and again. minus 14 upon 9. Minus 9 upon 7 minus 14 upon 9. Okay students, once again. To compare these two numbers, we have to make their denominator equal. And here in this case, to make the denominator equal, we just have to find out LCM of these two. LCM of these two is 7 into 9, which is equals to 63. Got it? Now, let's make minus 9 upon 7 is equals to minus 9 upon 7 multiplied by 1. We are not changing the value of the given number. So, which is equals to minus 9 upon 7 multiplied by 9 upon 9. Right? So, multiplication of this 7 and 9 will give us the LCM equals to 63. So, ultimately it will be equals to 81 upon 63. Minus 81 upon 63. Let's convert second, which is equals to minus 14 upon 9. Minus 14 upon 9 is equals to minus 14 upon 9 multiplied by 1. Because multiplying by 1 doesn't change the value of the given number. And minus 14 upon 9, this 1 can be replaced by 7 upon 7. And why 7 upon 7? Because multiplication of these two numbers gives us the LCM, which is equal denominator. So 63, and this multiplication is minus 91. Ultimately, minus 14 upon 9 is equals to minus 91 upon 63. Now, if minus 81 upon 63 is greater than minus 91 upon 63, right? In this case, denominators are equal. So, we will compare based on the numerator. And minus 81 is greater than minus 91. So, minus 81 upon 63 is greater than minus 91 upon 63. Therefore, minus 81 upon 63 is equals to minus 9 upon 7. Minus 9 upon 7 is greater than minus 91 upon 63 is equals to minus 14 upon 9. Minus 14 upon 9. Are you finding it like we are learning something from 6th standard? This is the part of your 8th standard syllabus. Okay. So let's conclude this video with one final example. Suppose the given numbers are 7 upon 12 and 5 upon 8. Now once again, to compare these two rational numbers, we have to make their denominator equal. And what will be that number? That number should be the LCM of these two numbers, 12 and 8. Let's find their LCM. So 12 and 8. Both are directly divisible by 4. So if we divide them by 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. No common factor between these two numbers. So LCM is multiplication of this L. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. LCM is equals to 24. We have to make denominator of both of this number equals to 24. Let's start. 7 upon 12 is equals to 7 upon 12 multiplied by 1. Means we are not changing the value of the given number. Now this 1 can be replaced by any such number, 3 upon 3, 2 upon 2, 9 upon 9, 7 upon 7. So by which number we have to replace it? We want our denominator equals to 24. So if we multiply this 12 by 2, then answer is equals to 24. So let's replace this 1 by 2 upon 2, and ultimately our answer is equals to 14 upon 24. Same procedure we have to follow with next number. 5 upon 8 is equals to 5 upon 8 multiplied by 1, as we are not changing the value of the given number. Now 5 upon 8 multiplied by this 1 can be replaced by 3 upon 3. And why 3 upon 3? Because 8 3s are 24. We want denominator equals to 24. So this 1 can be replaced by 3 upon 3, and answer is equals to 15 upon 24. Now student, let's compare these two numbers. If 14 upon 24 is less than 15 upon 24. Why? Because denominators are same. So we will compare based on numerator. 14 is less than 15. So 14 upon 24 is less than 15 upon 24. Therefore, 14 upon 24 is equals to 7 upon 12. Less than 15 upon 24 is equals to 5 upon 8. So this is how 7 upon 12 is less than 5 upon 8. I hope you have understood it and enjoyed it.